Take it 221. Hey, she crossed over. Hey, relax. Hey, relax.
Get off of me.
Relax. Hey, relax.
Get off of me.
Stop. Come over
I
here.
have it all on video.
Come over here.
Everyone attacked me.
Oh, she was over here taking pictures.
You can handcuff me if you want to.
Can I have a 45 to the A side?
No, you
So at the Frontier exit. Or excuse me, Frontier business ticket booth.
I have it all
Show
on
me flight
video.
number 1085. Okay, give me 1 second.
And she just assaulted me too.
Will you just lay that?
Put
Lay
this in my
that down?
purse.
Yeah, just lay it down right here.
breach. Why did you want to breach on this side and come and take pictures on that screen, girl?
I have a 20-minute
Drop your
video
jacket.
and a
No,
lawyer.
drop your jacket. for me.
I have a 20-minute video and a
You're
lawyer.
not supposed to breach.
And she put her hand on me. I have a 20-minute video and a lawyer.
Whatever video you have.
I have a 20-minute video. It's okay.
You breached. You breached and you came over. You attacked her.
Oh, no, you uncalled. No, you uncalled. Try it again.
Oh.
Smack your ass.
Now you're
Go ahead.
Now you're stuck.
No, you
Now you're stuck.
talking about.
Just give us a minute, okay?
I wish that I could be here.
Yo, you see that?
I wish that
You would have got beat up too. Oh, you would have got beat up too. You would have beat up too.
Do you have ID and
You would have
everything
got
on
beat
you?
up too. It's my purse.
Give us one more.
Yeah.
Do you have ID and everything on you?
Yeah,
Okay, where's your ID?
it's in my purse.
Okay. Do I have your permission to go in your purse and grab your ID?
Can I just get it? It's right here on the top.
It's right here on top.
Yeah. No, it's not. You can go there.
Okay.
You can go.
Give me just a minute. We'll get another officer here and then we'll go through it all, okay?
Okay.
How's it going?
Good, sir. How are you?
Doing well. So, I haven't investigated anything yet. I came over here and they were fighting. Her and one of the... Say again?
My lipstick's messed up.
No, it's fine. I'm not sure. Where did the other lady go?
she's in the back.
She's in the back?
She had to get beat up because she put her hands on me. I have it on video. I have my wallet.
They were fighting, rolling around on the ground. Poor guy here.
I wasn't rolling around. I was on top.
You want to speak with the other? I can take you back to her if you want. Where's the witness?
What's that? Is the witness still here?
The witness just checked in and she's going that way. Do you want to talk to her? She's
Yes.
turning the corner right now.
Yes, we need to talk to her.
Yeah, she.
You have cameras up here, right?
Yes,
Okay.
I believe Gola can give you that, okay?
How long ago did this
I
occur?
just walked in, my shift, it just happened, and we have antibiotics until we get to the hospital. But they need to know.
Are you okay, young lady?
No, what did you do?
Ma'am, just calm down.
It's okay, mommy, come on. It's okay.
I know, and you're gonna press charges.
Come on, mommy,
Okay.
come on. Mírame, respira. Respira, mi amor, siéntate.
Okay, vamos a concentrarnos en esto para que te desinfectes, ¿ok? Ajá.
Just
Just
relax,
mama,
mommy.
okay?
Just
Okay,
relax.
I'll wait till she calms down a little bit
Okay,
before I
vamos
ask
a
her anything.
concentrarnos en
Okay?
esto.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
our witness.
how are
She was
you?
standing in the
I'm
line.
Mary Beth.
Mary Beth, it's a pleasure.
Nice to meet
Are
you,
you
sir.
a passenger or are you an employee?
Passenger.
Okay. Can we use this one?
Sure.
Can you tell me what you witnessed?
Sure. So I didn't see the girl when I first walked up, but I was standing like at the very front of the line, and then I heard, I don't know if it was her or the other ticket agent, telling her, "Ma'am, you can't be there, you have to move." And then like that woman there was walking up to her, and the girl just like kind of came over the counter at her, and the swinging started, and honestly I can't tell you who swung first. I'm sure there's video, so I don't want to give any misleading information, but then like she got her by the hair and they went down.
Who got who by the hair?
The young girl
Okay.
got the employee by the hair, and she like had her and took her down by like the head. And I jumped in because I was like, holy crap, they're on a conveyor belt. And I'm a flight nurse,
Okay.
so I've actually seen people lose their hands on these things. It's like, oh my God, they have to get off the conveyor belt. And before like I could get up there, the gentleman here kind of got in and was trying to get her off of her, but she still had her by the hair. So I kind of jumped in and then got her fingers out of her hair. And once they were separated, I got out.
Okay.
I'm like, I gotta go.
This was occurring behind the counter?
Behind the counter.
And
Yeah,
you said they were on the belt?
on the belt. Yeah.
And
Super dangerous.
You say that you don't know who threw the first punch? If a punch
Yeah,
was
I
thrown?
didn't see the first swing, but the girl was definitely behind the counter when it all started. Like she was back there in the drawer or doing something back there. And the woman was telling her, like, you can't be back here, leave that alone, get on the other side. And I didn't hear what the young girl said back to her.
Okay.
But then by the time she got up there, you know, I was like, maybe I should have another place. So that's why I didn't see like the initial, like, who swung, because my first reaction was like, get out of here before the fight happens. But then the fight happened, and I'm like, oh, someone's really going to get hurt on that conveyor belt.
Okay. What time's your flight leave?
My flight leaves, boarding starts at 6:16, and the flight leaves at 7.
Okay. Do you think you have time to fill out a statement form for me?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, because one of the gentlemen out there said that he would walk me through security if it got close.
Okay. All right.
We'll get him here and bring him back to you, okay, dear? Okay? We'll get the paramedics here and come check you out. Better safe than sorry. You got some scratches on you.
If you can and when you want to, tell me what you witnessed. Tell me what happened up there, okay?
She came over to where I am, which is rebooking because she missed the flight. My job is to rebook her.
Now, when you say she, are you speaking of the
passenger.
young female that the officers is with out there? Okay, go right ahead.
So I started to tell her that being that she's late, that the only thing that I can do is rebook her for the next flight.
Okay.
She didn't want to hear that. She didn't miss the flight. She's in business class. That she was there on time. According to this, you missed your flight.
Okay.
And then I went to my screen to book her for the next available flight. She started videotaping me, and she went on rambling like that she was not late.
Okay.
And then she started videotaping me. So I went over to my supervisor. You need to talk to her. She's late. She doesn't believe that she was late for the flight. I'm trying to rebook her. She's getting a whole bunch of attitude. She's taking videotaping me, and you need to get it. You need to come over.
Okay.
He came over. She still had the phone in her hand, and the supervisor told her, well, are you videotaping me? She said, yes. But when you're done, you let me know. So he went that way. I can go for me to go and take a break. So I went to the ladies' room, yada, yada, yada. Came back home. She was still at my counter. I did not stop. I went towards my supervisor.
Just take your time. Take your time.
What are we doing? She's still there. She's still recording. As I'm talking to her, I saw her. She's alerted me that she jumped the fence. She jumped over, and then when I turned, she was there, and she had her camera on our screen, which is that's there for the public to see.
So by this time, she's behind the
Oh
counter.
yeah, she's totally behind the counter.
Okay.
And I ran to her. No, you can't do that. You cannot jump over. You got to go to the other side. You cannot take pictures of what we have. You cannot. That's when, as I grabbed her and tried to put her on the other side, that's when she turned around and she slapped me. Well, I slapped her back. That's when we got into it. And then everybody came over.
Okay.
And she had, I think she had some, she cut me there with her, I get her ring. I don't know.
Okay.
I mean, I didn't see any weapon.
Okay.
So we just went at it.
Okay. Now, just prior to her slapping you, what led up to that? What happened?
That I tried putting her on the other side, which is my God, she's not supposed to jump over.
Now, when you say tried putting her to the other side, explain to me what you did.
Well, I had to grab her because she wasn't going to go willingly.
Okay.
I had to grab her and push her to go to the other side.
On January 14th, 2025, Orlando police responded to a fight at Orlando International Airport. A passenger had crossed behind a Frontier Airlines counter and struck a check-in agent over 65 years of age. The legal analysis of this incident centers on 3 distinct doctrines. The first is the felony reclassification of battery, against an elderly victim. Under Florida statutes, Chapter 784, Section 03, simple battery is a first-degree misdemeanor, but Section 08 reclassifies it to a third-degree felony when the victim is 65 years of age or older. The maximum penalty rises from 1 year in jail to 5 years in state prison. The court may not withhold adjudication, and ignorance of the victim's age is not a defense. The second doctrine is the initial-aggressor limitation on Florida's Stand Your Ground framework. Under Chapter 776, Section 012, a person may use non-deadly force against the imminent unlawful use of force. But Section 041 bars that defense for anyone who initially provokes the confrontation. By entering a non-public work area and refusing to leave, the suspect provoked the lawful trespass removal contact. Even if the agent placed hands on her first, the stand your ground defense is unavailable. The third doctrine concerns probable cause to arrest under the Fourth Amendment. Under Illinois v. Gates, probable cause is determined by the totality of the circumstances. And under Devenpeck v. Alford, an officer's subjective reasoning is irrelevant if probable cause objectively exists. Here, the victim's account, the independent eyewitness, the visible injury, and the surveillance footage all converge. The arrest is sound. A related doctrine governs the suspect's many spontaneous admissions made before any custodial interrogation. Under Rhode Island v. Innis, voluntary statements not the product of interrogation are admissible without prior advisement of rights. Her admissions of intoxication and of striking the victim are likely fully admissible.
I mean, she didn't fall or anything.
Okay.
She didn't get a chance to fall because she immediately turned around and slapped me.
Okay. All right. And did this occur right where they have her right now in the area
my
behind?
Counter, yeah, my counter.
Okay. All right.
The additional service counter.
When the supervisor told you to take a break, how long would you say it was before you came back to the ticket
I
counter?
didn't take a break. Just went to the ladies' room. I said, "I to go to the ladies' room. Ready to do." I just went back out again, and she was still standing there. And I didn't want to deal with her because I already spoke to the supervisor, and I need him to come back and deal with it. Because when it gets like that, we're not supposed to deal with it. They
Right.
deal with it, so I stood back.
Did he say why he left?
Because he asked her, "Are you still videotaping?" She said, "Yes." And then he said to her, "Well, when you're done videotaping, you let me know." So he went, because I think he had somebody else. I'm not too sure. I think he had somebody else. And he went to his station. And when I came from the ladies' room, that was before the slap. I'm getting mixed up.
Oh, just take your time. Take your time.
That was before. He told her, "When you're done, let me know." So he walked, and then he told me, "If you need to take a break, just go and take a break." And that's what I did. That's when I came back, went back to him to see what we were gonna do with her. And that's what my coworker who was just standing here was the one who looked. Because my back was towards her, looking at my supervisor, and she said, "Hey, get up, you can't be on that side." And I turned, she was on our side, and she was like this with the phone on our screen. So you can't do that, you cannot come over, you cannot take pictures of that. So when I got to her, that's when I grabbed her and I tried pushing her to the other side, and that's when she turned around.
We're going to have somebody come and just check you out, okay?
That's when she turned and she slapped me and I slapped her back.
Okay. Now, prior to you coming in contact with her, the injuries to your face, did you have those injuries?
No.
Okay. All right.
No. I haven't even looked at my face. I know it hurts.
Okay. The paramedics are here right now. Once they check you out, then I'll ask you some more questions, okay? All right.
What were you doing in Orlando?
I was chilling out here, traveling.
You have friends here?
Making money, yeah.
Okay.
I have my own footage too, so are you denying my evidence, or are you guys going to check mine too?
You got your own footage?
Yeah.
You recording with your
Yep.
phone? Where's your phone?
Right there?
You were recording on your phone while the
Yep.
incident
And I've
occurred?
been telling everyone on that, and it's all been on footage this whole time. It's still recording.
Where's your phone?
Right in there, and right in there. The entire video.
Okay, and as I'm gonna tell you again,
I did not miss my flight. I was here on time. I bought business class, which is 147 on top of the Frontier class, which means I have 2 bags. I sit in the front, and I get to board early, right? They told me that they could not bring that up on me. And once it got brought up, they said, oh, well, you're late now. Okay, well, I was not late. You could not bring up my stuff, so now I need to get another flight. You cannot charge me for another flight and try to make me have a flight tomorrow and not give me a voucher. That is completely illegal. I paid for it and how smart flight. You understand that, right? Can I continue? Continue to say what? Continue to say what I have to say, what I have in front of me. Okay, but what about the voucher? Number 1, there is no voucher when you miss this flight. Number 2. Okay, I didn't miss my flight. I was here on time. Do you know what miss? Do you know the definition of miss? Do you know what the definition? That's when I talked to attitude. That's when she was like, "Yeah, I'm gonna pull my power, and I'm not gonna lose this flight." You can zoom past too if you want to. Like what? To the fight. Said you could take your break right now. While I'm in the middle, there's people in line, and he didn't want to help me. Because my attitude was too much for customer service. And then I went behind the thing after waiting 10 more minutes, and then attacked me, and I hit her back. And I'm about to go to jail because I defended myself. That's crazy. But it's okay. I got the video. I got lawyers. Nobody has the permission to delete that video off of my phone either.
No, nobody's going to delete it.
Okay. That shit is completely out of pocket. Yeah, I had an attitude, but I don't deserve to go to jail because she put her hands on me. Like, be for real, guys.
Yeah, she was a long time.
A long time, a long ass time, just being hella disrespectful to me. Like, this shit up, guys. Be for real. I tried. As a human being, I'm also a little bit tipsy too. Hey! Excuse me! Hey! Get out! Get out! Put her hands on me.
So we just hear the commotion, but we can't see what
But that camera, you can see it. That camera look up like
they want to view that footage.
So I just wanted my footage viewed because I have evidence of them just like blatantly disrespecting me. Me being disrespectful too, but I'm the customer, you feel me? I'm obviously irate. I missed my flight. I'm like, you have experience of years of being able to deal with this. I should not have to go to jail because somebody put their hands on me. I'm defending myself.
Right.
And if that's the case, and you guys see that other video, allegedly, if you guys see the other video and this lady put her hands on me, I should not be able to, like, as a just person, as a police officer who's supposed to be.
The grades reflect this analysis. The Orlando officers earn a B+ for sound investigative methodology. The suspect earns a D for a cascading series of self-incriminating decisions. The victim earns a C+, complicated by her own admission of returning a slap rather than disengaging. And the absent Frontier supervisor earns a D- for failing to escalate to security. 4 lessons emerge from this case. First, the right to record in public does not extend to restricted work areas or protected customer information. Second, a person who provokes the confrontation almost always loses the right to claim self-defense. Third, every word spoken before a body camera is evidence. Silence is a constitutional right. Using it is wisdom. Fourth, a single misdemeanor moment becomes a felony when the victim's age or status triggers a statutory enhancement. Tell us in the comments which legal topic to analyze next, and thank you for watching.
Okay.
This is so
They're reviewing the other footage, okay?
They're only investigating.
So we viewed her footage. She has footage too. So what did you see?
Oh, yeah, she's...
Yeah? I know she was behind the counter.
She's gonna take a ride to jail, I'll tell you that. Felony charges.
How do I have felony charges? Who's making the decision?
For about what?
If I'm going to jail or not?
You're going to jail.
But who's made that decision?
The officer that's arresting you?
Who's the arresting officer is what I'm asking.
I don't know what his name is. I'm not sure who's taking it. But they viewed the footage and they've seen that they have PC to arrest you. Okay, alright, come on.
But what do you mean if? Right? What do you mean if they let me out? I thought they were going to give me bail.
Okay, we're going to go over here.
Stay in school, kids.
Okay.
Wait, is this supposed to be right there?
Yep. Alright, you sit right there. Slide your feet in, turn to the side, and look in, okay?
Can I put these up here now?
You can put them wherever you can.
Like, can you, like, put them up here?
No, they stay behind you, okay?